Mostar. The name itself evokes a sense of mystery, a sense of history and timelessness, of a place where time seems to stand still, where every stone and street whispers tales of the past. Nestled in a valley carved by the emerald green Neretva River, Mostar is a vibrant tapestry of cultures, a living museum of history, a place where the echoes of the Ottoman Empire meet the spirit of the modern Balkans, creating a unique blend of old and new. It's a city that has risen from the ashes of conflict, rebuilding itself with a resilience that is both inspiring and humbling. Its scars a testament to its resilience, its history etched into the very fabric of its buildings, its beauty a beacon of hope, a reminder of the enduring human spirit. As you approach Mostar, the dramatic landscape unfolds before your eyes, revealing a city cradled by nature's grandeur. Towering mountains cloaked in emerald green rise up on either side of the Neretva River, creating a natural fortress around the city, their peaks often dusted with snow even in the spring, adding a touch of magic to the landscape. The air is alive with the sound of rushing water, a symphony of nature that soothes the soul, a constant reminder of the river's power and beauty, its ever-changing currents reflecting the city's own journey through time. The city itself is a fascinating blend of East and West, a place where different cultures and religions coexist in harmony, a place where minarets pierce the sky alongside church steeples, creating a skyline that tells a story of unity and diversity. Cobblestone streets wind their way through ancient bazaars, leading you on a journey through time filled with the sense of exotic spices and freshly brewed Bosnian coffee, each aroma telling its own story. The aroma of sivapi, grilled minced meat, wafts through the air, inviting you to savor the flavors of the region, tempting you to indulge in the local cuisine, a culinary journey that is as rich and diverse as the city itself. Mostar is a city that begs to be explored, its streets and alleys calling out to the curious traveler, its secrets waiting to be uncovered, each corner revealing a new facet of its charm. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the old town, wander through bustling markets and feel the pulse of the city, and sip strong coffee while watching the world go by, a moment of peace in the midst of the city's vibrant life. It's a city that will stay with you long after you've left, its beauty etched in your memory, its stories woven into your own, its beauty etched in your memory, a place that leaves an indelible mark on your soul, its spirit lingering in your heart, a testament to the enduring allure of this remarkable city. The iconic Starry Most, the old bridge, is more than just a bridge, it's the very soul of Mostar. Imagine this, a graceful arch of pale stone spanning the turquoise waters of the Neretva River. This is Starry Most, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of the city's enduring spirit. Built by the Ottomans in the 16th century, the bridge stood for over 400 years, a testament to the skill of its builders. Sadly, it was destroyed in 1993 during the Bosnian War, a poignant reminder of the senselessness of conflict. But from the ruins, hope emerged. Today, the rebuilt Starry Most stands as a symbol of reconciliation and rebirth. Walking across its smooth, worn stones, you can feel the weight of history beneath your feet. The bridge is not just a landmark, it's a meeting place, a stage for life in Mostar. Local vendors set up shop, their stalls overflowing with colorful souvenirs and handmade crafts. Musicians serenade passers-by with traditional Bosnian music, their melodies echoing through the air. And every day, brave young men known as Mostar divers leap from the bridge into the icy waters below, a tradition that dates back centuries. Stepping into the old town of Mostar, or Starigrad, is like stepping back in time. The moment you pass through its ancient gates, you are transported to a different era where history and culture are woven into the very fabric of the streets. Imagine, cobblestone streets, polished smooth by centuries of footsteps, lead you past ancient mosques and charming Ottoman-era houses. Each stone and brick has a story to tell, echoing the footsteps of countless generations who have walked these paths before you. The air is thick with the scent of spices and the sounds of life, chattering vendors, laughing children, the call to prayer wash over you. It's a sensory experience that immerses you fully in the vibrant life of the town. This is a place where East meets West, where cultures collide and blend seamlessly. The fusion of different traditions and customs creates a unique atmosphere that is both exotic and familiar. You'll find mosques with soaring minarets, standing shoulder to shoulder with Catholic churches and their bell towers. This juxtaposition of religious architecture is a testament to the town's rich and diverse history. The architecture itself tells a story of the city's diverse past, a mix of Ottoman, Mediterranean, and Western European influences. Each building, with its unique design, adds a layer to the historical narrative of Mostar. As you wander through the maze of narrow streets, be sure to stop and admire the intricate carvings on the old buildings. These details, often overlooked, are a testament to the craftsmanship and artistry of the past. Look for the traditional Ottoman houses, with their overhanging wooden balconies and colourful facades. These houses are not just homes, but pieces of living history, each with its own story to tell. And don't miss the opportunity to peek into the courtyards hidden behind heavy wooden doors. You might just catch a glimpse of local life unfolding at its own leisurely pace. These courtyards are often the heart of the home, where families gather and daily life takes place. The heart of the old town is Kujundsiluk, the old bazaar. This bustling market is a microcosm of Mostar's vibrant culture and history. Here you'll find a treasure trove of souvenirs, from traditional Bosnian carpets and copperware to handmade jewelry and ceramics. Each item is a piece of the town's heritage, crafted with care and skill. It's the perfect place to practice your bargaining skills and pick up a unique memento of your time in Mostar. Whether you're looking for a gift or a keepsake, the bazaar offers something for everyone, making your visit truly unforgettable. Mostar is a feast for the senses, especially when it comes to its vibrant culinary scene. The city is a melting pot of flavors, aromas, and textures that will leave any food lover enchanted. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked bread and grilled meats fills the air, drawing you into the heart of a bustling market. The lively chatter of vendors and customers creates a symphony of sounds that adds to the market's charm. This is where you'll discover the true flavors of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Each stall offers a unique taste of the region's rich culinary heritage, from savory to sweet. Start your culinary adventure with a taste of cevapi, the national dish. This beloved dish is a staple in Bosnian cuisine and a must-try for any visitor. These small, juicy sausages, made from a mix of lamb and beef, are grilled to perfection and served with a dollop of kaymak, a creamy, clotted cream, and a side of raw onions. The combination of flavors is simply irresistible. For a quick and satisfying snack, grab a burek, a flaky pastry filled with meat, cheese, or spinach. Burek is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. No trip to Mostar is complete without experiencing a traditional Bosnian coffee ceremony. This age-old tradition is more than just a way to enjoy coffee. It's a cultural experience. This unhurried ritual is a celebration of hospitality and friendship. Sharing a cup of coffee is a way to connect with others and enjoy a moment of peace. The coffee, strong and aromatic, is brewed in a special copper pot called a dzezva and served in small, ornate cups. The process of making and serving the coffee is an art form in itself. Take your time to savor each sip, allowing the rich flavors to linger on your tongue. It's a moment to relax and appreciate the simple pleasures of life. For a taste of the local produce, head to the Tipa market. This vibrant market is a treasure trove of fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Here you'll find stalls piled high with fresh fruits and vegetables, locally produced honey, and an array of cheeses and cured meats. The variety and quality of the produce are a testament to the region's agricultural richness. It's the perfect place to pick up some picnic supplies or simply soak up the lively atmosphere. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to experience the local culture, Mostar's markets offer something for everyone. One of the most captivating aspects of Mostar is its people. Imagine warm smiles greet you as you wander through the streets, and friendly locals are always eager to share their stories and recommendations. The pace of life here is unhurried, and there's a genuine sense of community that's both refreshing and heartwarming. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with the locals. You'll find that most people are happy to chat, even if there's a language barrier. Ask about their favorite places to eat, their recommendations for things to see and do, or simply listen to their stories of life in Mostar. One of the best ways to connect with the local culture is to attend a cultural event. Mostar hosts a number of festivals and events throughout the year, showcasing the region's rich traditions in music, dance, and art. Check the local listings to see what's on during your visit. Remember that a simple Dobar Dan, good day, or Vala, thank you, goes a long way in showing respect and appreciation for the local culture. Embrace the opportunity to interact with the people of Mostar, and you'll discover a side to the city that's both authentic and unforgettable.